Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another task of 100 days of AWS series by KodeKloud engineer. And in today's task, we need to create a Lambda function with CLI. So these are the specifications to create Lambda function. First, we need to create a script named Lambda function.py with a function that returns the body. Welcome to KodeKloud AWS Labs and its status code 200. Then we need to zip the code file. Then we need to create a function and we need to attach this role to Lambda. Let's create script. I'll provide every command in my git repo so you can copy paste them from there. And then we need to zip this up. For this, the command will be zip name of the file function.zip and the actual file is lambda function.py. Now let's proceed further. We need Amazon resource name of IAM role, which is created already Lambda. This is the command to retrieve Amazon resource name in a variable, and I'll use this variable to create Lambda function. And then we need to create a Lambda function, and inside the command of Lambda function, I'll call this variable which will copy the resource name automatically. This is the command to create Lambda function. Lambda function is created. Now we need to test this. Lambda is in. Now let's verify our task.